The Whelan siren that you see here next to us represents the best technology in the world. It's used around the world, and we're thankful that we get to bring it to Aruba. This is the most visible aspect of the project, but the project relies on so many people. We have communication experts with CentrAlert that we've worked with, Quick Electric, and the installation contractor putting it in, and we've really enjoyed the time being here. Additionally, this represents the outdoor warning phase. The additional phases in emergency preparedness is community education, such as the news press that we have here to get the word out. We have an app, the Know Now app, that will be used for indoor warning. And as a matter of fact, when we were testing, I did hear somebody say that they couldn't hear the sirens indoors. That is a part of the training that we will be doing over the coming weeks and months to educate the population that the sirens are specifically for outdoor warning, and there are other aspects that they need to be trained on for indoor warning and self-management of emergencies. So with that, I really appreciate it again being here. Thank you for allowing us this opportunity. We look forward to working with you to complete even additional steps. And again, thank you for having me.
The Crisis Management Office deserves immense credit for securing the funds and driving the advancement of its early warning system. The entire CMO team and all stakeholders involved in this effort should be commended. Aruba stands as a leader among the Caribbean overseas countries and territories, achieving significant progress in a short time. This accomplishment demonstrates Aruba's commitment to resilience and sustainable development. The Caribbean, including Aruba, faces numerous natural hazards, hurricanes, floods, and earthquakes, among others. While Aruba benefits from some protection in the southern Caribbean, we are not immune to nature's power. Climate change is intensifying storms and increasing the risk of coastal flooding. Even the outer bands of tropical systems can have devastating consequences, demanding our preparedness. The cornerstone of our resilience lies in robust and effective early warning systems. These systems are not merely about sirens. They are multifaceted networks encompassing risk knowledge, forecasting, warning dissemination, and crucially, early action. Unfortunately, according to a recent stocktake by the United Nations, only 40% of countries in the Americas and the Caribbean possess adequate multi-hazard early warning systems. Even among those with systems in place, gaps persist. This is a critical challenge and one that we in Aruba and across the wider Caribbean are committed to addressing.